Today, we're diving deep into the AI revolution that's reshaping our world faster than you can say, "Hey Siri." But here's a mind-bending fact to kick things off. Did you know that the global AI market is projected to reach a staggering $1.8 trillion by 2030? That's right, we're talking about a market larger than the entire GDP of countries like Australia or Spain. Now you might be wondering, how can I get a piece of this AI pie? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the most promising AI-related stocks that could potentially turn savvy investors into millionaires over the next decade. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate just how far AI has come in such a short time. It's hard to believe that ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that took the world by storm, has only been around for 19 months. In that short span, we've seen AI evolve from simple document summarization to real-time translation, solving complex equations, and even providing suggestions for improving whiteboard diagrams. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. As AI continues to advance at breakneck speed, companies across all sectors are scrambling to boost their computing power and AI infrastructure. This shift is creating a golden opportunity for investors like us to capitalize on this technological revolution. With an expected compound annual growth rate of over 36% for the next decade, the AI sector is poised to generate substantial returns for those who know where to look. Now let's get into the meat of our discussion. We're going to explore 5 top AI-related stocks that are worth keeping a close eye on. These companies are at the forefront of the AI revolution, and their potential for growth is truly exciting. But remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's crucial to do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any investment decisions. All right, let's kick things off with our first company, Micron Technology. This might not be a household name like Apple or Google, but it's playing a crucial role in the AI revolution. This semiconductor company specializes in memory and storage solutions, and it's making waves with its high-bandwidth memory, HBM chips. These HBM chips are the unsung heroes powering NVIDIA's cutting-edge H200 GPUs, which are at the heart of many AI applications. What sets Micron apart is its claim that its HBM3E memory chips use 30% less power than competing options. In a world where energy efficiency is becoming increasingly important, this gives Micron a significant edge. The potential for growth here is massive. The high-bandwidth memory business is expected to skyrocket from just 5% of the overall memory market this year to a whopping 61% by 2028. That's some serious growth potential. And get this, Micron has already sold out its entire 2024 capacity for these chips. But it's not just about high-end AI applications. Micron is also well-positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for memory in everyday devices, like phones and PCs. As AI capabilities trickle down to these edge devices, memory requirements are expected to grow by 60% to 80%. Now, it's worth noting that Micron had a tough year in 2023 due to a slump in consumer memory demand. However, this could actually work in investors' favor. If Micron experiences high demand for both its HBM and consumer memory simultaneously, we could see a significant boost in earnings per share. The numbers speak for themselves. Micron's stock is up over 58% year-to-date and has more than doubled over the past year. This performance underscores the growing investor confidence in Micron's role in the AI revolution. Now, before we move on to our next stock pick, let's take a moment to consider the bigger picture. When we look at the life cycle of technological revolutions, like the mobile internet boom, we see a pattern. It often starts with a heavy focus on hardware, which is where we are now with AI. This is followed by expansion into consumer electronics, and then a broader move into software and services. This life cycle is crucial for investors to understand, because it provides a roadmap for where the biggest opportunities might lie at different stages of the AI revolution. Right now, we're in the hardware-heavy phase, which is why companies like Micron are seeing such strong growth. As we move through this AI life cycle, which sectors do you think will be the next to experience explosive growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's shift gears and look at a company that's taking AI to new heights, quite literally. Our next stock pick is AeroVironment. This is a fascinating company that's at the intersection of AI, robotics, and aerospace. They design, develop, and produce unmanned aircraft systems, unmanned ground vehicles, and missile systems. If that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, well, welcome to the future. One of AeroVironment's most impressive achievements is its collaboration with NASA on the Ingenuity Mars helicopter, the first aircraft to fly on another planet. This showcases the company's cutting-edge capabilities and its ability to push the boundaries of what's possible with unmanned systems. But AeroVironment isn't just about space exploration. The company's technologies have significant applications here on Earth, particularly in military and defense. Their reconnaissance aircraft and ground vehicles are in high demand, reflecting a broader shift in military spending towards unmanned and autonomous systems. What's particularly exciting about AeroVironment is its potential for growth. With a market cap of only $3.4 billion, it's still relatively small compared to some of the tech giants. Yet it's showing impressive growth, with its stock up over 75% year-to-date and a 5-year compound annual growth rate that's nearly double that of the S&P 500. As we've seen with both Micron and AeroVironment, the AI revolution is creating opportunities across a wide range of industries. But there's one sector that's absolutely crucial to the entire AI ecosystem: semiconductors. This brings us to our next stock pick, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC for short. TSMC is the 800-pound gorilla of the semiconductor industry, accounting for over 59% of global semiconductor production. What's more, they boast the highest margin rate among all their competitors at over 52%. That's an impressive feat in an industry known for its high capital costs and intense competition. What makes TSMC particularly interesting for AI investors is its position at the cutting edge of chip technology. The company is currently working on 2-nanometer chips, which represent the next frontier in semiconductor technology. These chips will be crucial for powering the next generation of AI applications, from data centers to edge devices. TSMC's customer list reads like a who's who of the tech industry, including giants like Apple and NVIDIA. In fact, Apple, which makes up 23% of TSMC's revenue, has recently announced plans to push AI into every single one of its devices. This shift towards AI-powered devices is likely to drive significant demand for TSMC's most advanced chips. The numbers tell a compelling story. TSMC's stock is up over 69% year-to-date, and it boasts a 5-year compound annual growth rate of over 34%. With new manufacturing plants coming online in the coming years, including facilities in the US and Japan, TSMC is well positioned to meet the growing global demand for advanced semiconductors. Now, we've talked about companies powering AI in data centers and military applications. But what about the AI that's closer to home? The AI in our pockets and on our wrists? This brings us to our fourth stock pick, Qualcomm. This is a leader in mobile technology, best known for its Snapdragon processors that power many Android phones and tablets. But the company's reach extends far beyond smartphones. Qualcomm also produces 5G modem chips used in iPhones and other devices, as well as low-power chips for Internet of Things devices and automotive infotainment systems. What makes Qualcomm particularly interesting from an AI perspective is its focus on edge computing. As AI capabilities increasingly move from the cloud to individual devices, there's going to be a growing need for powerful, energy-efficient chips that can handle AI workloads locally. This is where Qualcomm shines. The potential for growth here is significant. Qualcomm's stock is up over 50% year-to-date and has more than doubled over the past year. With a 5-year compound annual growth rate of over 27%, Qualcomm is showing strong momentum as we move into the era of AI-powered edge devices. Now, we've covered companies that design chips, manufacture chips, and use chips in various applications. But there's one more crucial player in the semiconductor ecosystem that we need to talk about: the company that makes the machines that make the chips. This brings us to our final stock pick, ASML Holding. This is a Dutch company that holds a near monopoly in a critical area of semiconductor manufacturing: extreme ultraviolet EUV lithography systems. These highly complex machines are essential for producing the most advanced chips at 7M and below. What makes ASML unique is that it's the only company in the world capable of producing these EUV systems at scale. Every major semiconductor manufacturer, including TSMC, Samsung, Intel, and Micron, relies on ASML's machines to produce their most advanced chips. As the demand for more powerful AI chips continues to grow, so does the demand for ASML's machines. The company's stock performance reflects this. It's up 49% year-to-date and boasts an impressive 5-year compound annual growth rate of 41%. With new semiconductor fabs being built around the world to meet the growing demand for AI chips, ASML is well positioned to benefit from this trend for years to come. As long as we continue to push the boundaries of chip technology, ASML's machines will be indispensable. Of these 5 companies, Micron, AeroVironment, TSMC, Qualcomm, and ASML, which do you think has the most potential for growth in the coming years and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And there you have it. 5 companies that are playing crucial roles in the AI revolution and could potentially deliver significant returns for investors in the coming years. Remember, the AI market is expected to grow at a compound annual rate of over 36% for the next decade, potentially creating many millionaires along the way. But as always, it's important to do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any investment decisions. The stock market can be volatile, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis of tech trends and investment opportunities. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. What other AI-related companies would you like to see covered in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing.